Say hello to Amazon Echo. It connects to Alexa to play music, call friends and family, control smart home devices, and more. And because Alexa is in the cloud, she's always getting smarter and adding new features. Echo comes in 6 unique styles designed to blend in or stand out. And with speakers powered by Dolby, it can fill any room with crisp vocals and rich bass. 7 microphones help Echo and Alexa hear you from any direction, even when music is playing. All you have to do is ask.
Alexa, play my Sweet Victory playlist everywhere.
Okay.
Alexa, turn it up.
Alexa, play my messages.
Hey, babe. Please don't touch the macaroons. They're for the baby shower.
Alexa, what's a macaroon?
A macaroon is a type of small circular cake, typically made from ground almonds.
Whoa! Alexa, remind me to sign Emily up for soccer.
Okay.
Alexa, drop in on the living room. Hey, babe. Just finished the nursery.
Perfect. Timing. We need to go.
Wait, what?
Alexa, turn on the hall lights.
Okay.
Alexa, lock the door.
Okay.
Okay, man, one more. Alexa, how much time is left on the pizza timer?
There are about 4 minutes left on the pizza timer.
Okay, you're on.
Alexa, party time.
Excellent.
Amazon Echo.